Hi, I'm Mary White, and this is an introduction to the practice of heart-centered meditation. Let's get started. There's no need to time your meditation, as it will end on its own. Find a comfortable place to sit, either in a chair or on the floor. Relax into your body. Pay respect to yourself as you open to your heart. As you connect to your heart, be aware of any tension in your body. Go into the connection with your heart. There's no need to wonder what that is. You'll begin to sense the connection to your heart through any sensation you may feel physically, emotionally, or mentally. Breathe, as if you're drawing your breath from below your navel, very simply. Notice if you're holding your breath or restraining your body in any way. Relax into the meditation wherever you sense the tension. Now that your meditation has ended, see if you can recollect moments when your body began to move involuntarily. Did you allow that to happen? Did you notice any emotions coming to the surface? If so, allow yourself to open to those feelings through the connection to your heart. If you were preoccupied with thoughts, did you notice a shift in your sentiments around them? When you meditate this way in the future, stay connected to your heart and notice how your heart's energy guides the meditation with respect to your experience. Heart-centered meditation helps you to develop a relationship with yourself and to those in the world around you. The very experience of meditating from the heart opens your mind and body's potential for healing. Thank you.